What's up, guys? New video here. We're in the Avalanche, me and Jer from Sinmo's Garage. We're running up to Junction City to pick up some wheels for the cheapest little truck build going on here. We're gonna have a lot more content coming, but we're going up here to pick up some wheels. They're 22 by 12. They are I forgot the brand, but we'll show them when we pick them up. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on the start of the vlog and getting ready to go pick these wheels and tires up for this thing. So we'll catch you guys when we're there. Guys, didn't want to bore you guys with the drive back home, so I'm going to show you the wheels right now. And we're going to test fit them on the truck because the tires I did not think were this wide when I originally saw the listing, and me and Jared just hopped in the truck and headed straight there to go pick them up because they were such a good deal. So these tires are 14.5 wide. If you can look, it's almost 3 of my hands wide. We got some TIS wheels. They're 22 by 12, 33, 14.5, 22 tires, Venom Terra Hunters. So we're gonna throw one on the truck real quick and we'll show you guys that. All right, guys, so we got one on the truck. We were just test fitting it, making sure it didn't rub anywhere in the back along the shock or the frame. It has quite a bit of poke, if you guys can't tell, but it's gonna look really good once we're done with it. Those are the original tires, and don't worry about that door handle because we're gonna get it fixed. But yeah, solid deal. We're gonna throw them all on and let you guys see the results. Alright guys, so we got the torsion keys in right there. Starting in the back. She's looking real good. We got quite a bit of poke. Same with the other side. Got quite a bit of poke. Wheels sitting good, no rubbing. When we picked them up, I originally thought we were gonna have some trouble with rubbing back there. And on that little A-arm right there, but she clears real good. And then we'll show you the front. Get you guys a good little preview right here. So she turned out really good. Did some trimming up here from the last clip as you saw, but she does rub back here. So probably in the next video, we're gonna tear all this plastic off. We'll pull the fender liner back and cut the fender and then throw this plastic back on, and you guys will never see or notice that the back of the fender was ever cut. But yeah, she turned out good. Stay tuned for more. Let me know what you guys want to see done next to the truck, and yeah, peace out.